How to add a stop on Uber. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add a stop on Uber, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically add a stop on Uber, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Uber application and make sure that you're signed into your account. While booking a ride, instead of just the pickup and destination, you want to stop in between, and that means that you want to add a stop. And in order to do this, first of all, let me just go ahead and then log into my Uber account in here. Once I log into my Uber account from here, what I will do is I'll just go ahead and then select enter pickup point. So let me just enter a pickup point over here, right? So I'll just tap on this enter pickup point option. Then I'll be able to enter my pickup point. And after I do that, before entering destination, you'll find the plus button here. So tap on this plus icon, which is a stop. Then you can choose to add multiple stops. Currently you can add up to 2 stops, by the way. So you can select your stop over here by simply searching for the place that you would like, and then once you've done that, you'll be able to add stop on Uber. This way you can add a stop on Uber. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.